Good morning. We're back in the farm. Today is September 20, 2025. If you noticed, we did some farm maintenance. So, in the last week or 2 weeks, pinutol namin yung mga lanzones, mostly yung mga low value crops. So especially doon sa front, we cut down mga 30 plus lanzones trees. So yeah, this is our EVR jackfruit. So it's doing very well. Flashing na. New set of leaves. Okay, so yung mga maliliit na mga coconuts pinutol din natin. So as you can see, medyo na clear na yung area. So this one, ganda na yung growth. Lot of new leaves. So this is our first batch. So we did an update last month, less than a month ago. So we're gonna clean up yung ilalim nito later on. Take out the weeds. Okay, looking good. Flashing na sila. These are grafted EVR jackfruit. Okay. Looks good. The reason we put some protection here kasi nga we have lots of coconuts in the property and baka magulungan ng mga nuts when we harvest. And we also plan, look at this lanzones tree. In my last update it was still here. Ngayon putol na siya kasi the reason is it's beside one of our jackfruit tree. So it's time to go. Ayan, putol na siya. And time for this one to have more sunlight. Ayan. It's looking healthy na. So as I've mentioned earlier, the reason why we put yung mga protection here, mga barriers, is for the coconuts, and also we plan to cut down this large native durian tree anytime soon. So at least man lang meron silang konting protection when we cut out the branches and eventually the trunk, na sana naman hindi matumba dito sa mga jackfruit natin. So this one is doing really well. It's super healthy na ngayon. We're looking for additional spots for our third batch of EVR. So I put some marker here kung saan pa pwedeng itanim yung mga EVR natin. So this area, we have sunlight available for this area, so this one is a marker. This one as well. Okay, and in a bit we're going to plant more seedling for batch 3. So we have our new hole for our new seedlings, batch 3 EVR seedling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill it up with organic fertilizer and some inorganic, a mix of inorganic fertilizer. So yung fertilizer natin na inorganic is diammonium phosphate, and we have an organic fertilizer, and we will also mix a dolomite and micronutrients mixture. So ito na yun. Before we plant our seedling. Okay, so next step is we put our seedlings sa butas natin. Okay, so I think tama lang yung depth ng ano natin, butas natin. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the bottom muna para hindi in case na loose yung soil, hindi siya ma-break up. So we're gonna open the bottom. Yan, so for a better angle, okay naman yung soil niya, hindi masyadong basa, so it's a good thing. Okay, so yeah. And then we're gonna put this in the hole, and then doon na natin i-open yung side ng seedling bag, para just in case lang na loosen up yung potting mix, at least nasa butas na siya, so safe na siya. Okay, okay, yan. So just make sure to straighten it up para okay. Okay, so tapos na, it's on the ground na, and then nabalik na natin yung soil, and then on top nilagyan din natin ng mixture of dolomite and yung organic fertilizer sa top layer. Okay, let's move on to the next. Seedling number 2 is done. Let's move on to the next. Okay, so we're done planting our 6th seedling for today. So yun, 6 lang muna today, and then next week 6 na naman for batch 3, so 12 in total. So overall it was tiring yet fulfilling day. So see you next time.